The topic of today's video is how to reset crypto.com two-factor authentication. So here we are on the crypto.com home screen, and what you want to do is click on the top left on the three lines. And on the sidebar, all we want to do is scroll down until we see settings, and then we're going to go to security, and then we're going to go two-factor authentication, and then click on reset two-factor authentication. Now what they're going to do, and why the screen is black here, is they're going to prompt you for your passkey or whatever method you use to sign in, though usually passkey is the way to go. So put in your passkey and then you will be brought here. And then all you need to do from there is click on proceed to verify, and you will be able to reset your two-factor authentication. I'm not going to do it because I don't need to reset mine. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.